Welcome! Today, we will learn how to order coffee at Starbucks in English. If you are new to Starbucks or to speaking English, don't worry. We will go step by step. By the end, you will know how to order your drink, choose the right size, ask for hot or cold, and decide whether you want sugar or not. Let's get started! When you walk into Starbucks, you usually see a menu behind the counter. There are many drinks and options. But first, let's learn the basic steps for ordering your coffee. Step 1. Decide what kind of drink you want. The most popular drinks at Starbucks are coffee, latte, cappuccino, and tea. If you are not sure what to get, you can say, "I'd like a coffee, please," or "Can I have a latte, please?" Step 2. Choose the size of your drink. Starbucks uses special names for their cup sizes. They are tall. This is the small size. It is 12 ounces. Grande. This is the medium size. It is 16 ounces. Venti. This is the large size. For hot drinks, it is 20 ounces. For cold drinks, it is 24 ounces. So, if you want a medium coffee, you can say, "I'd like a grande coffee, please." Let's practice with an example. Imagine you want a small latte. You can say, "Can I have a tall latte, please?" Step 3. Hot or cold. Some drinks can be served hot or cold. If you want your drink hot, you just say the name. For example, grande latte. If you want it cold, you can say iced. For example, "Can I have an iced grande latte, please?" Here is another example. If you want a cold cappuccino, you can say, "Can I have an iced tall cappuccino, please?" Step 4. Choose your milk. Starbucks lets you choose from different types of milk. The most common choices are whole milk, regular milk, 2% milk, less fat, non-fat milk, no fat, soy milk, plant-based, almond milk, plant-based, oat milk, plant-based. If you want a special milk, you can say it after your drink. For example, "Can I have a grande latte with soy milk, please?" Or "Tall cappuccino with almond milk, please." If you are not sure, you can just accept the regular milk. Step 5. Sugar or no sugar. At Starbucks, most drinks like lattes and cappuccinos do not have sugar unless you ask. If you want sugar, you can ask for it. For example, "Can I have a grande latte with sugar, please?" Or, "Can I have a tall coffee with 2 sugars, please?" If you do not want sugar, you don't need to say anything. But if you want to make sure, you can say, "No sugar, please." Starbucks also has many syrups to make your drink sweet or to give it a flavor. For example, you can add vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut syrup. If you want your drink sweeter, you can say, "Can I have a grande coffee with vanilla syrup, please?" If you do not want it very sweet, you can say, "Can I have just 1 pump of syrup?" Or, "Less syrup, please." If you do not want any sugar or syrup, you can say, "No syrup, please," or "No sugar, please." Step 6. Other options. You can also ask for your drink to be extra hot, or for less or more foam. If you want your drink to be very hot, you can say, "Extra hot, please." If you want less milk foam, you can say, "Less foam, please." These are just the extra options. Let's put it all together with some examples. Example 1. You want a medium, hot latte with almond milk and no sugar. You say, "Can I have a grande latte with almond milk? No sugar, please?" Example 2. You want a small iced coffee with 2 sugars. You say, "Can I have a tall iced coffee with 2 sugars, please?" Example 3. You want a large hot cappuccino with oat milk and vanilla syrup. You say, "Can I have a venti cappuccino with oat milk and vanilla syrup, please?" If you don't know what to order, you can ask the barista for help. You can say, "What do you recommend?" Or, "Can you help me choose a drink?" If you want less caffeine, you can ask for decaf. You can say, "Decaf coffee, please," or "Grande decaf latte, please." Now, let's talk about how to order using the Starbucks app. If you have a smartphone, you can use the Starbucks app to order ahead. Open the app, choose your store, select your drink, choose the size, milk, and other options, and place your order. Then you just go to the store and pick up your drink. This is easy if you want to practice your order before you go. Here are some useful phrases you can use at Starbucks. I'd like a tall coffee, please. Can I have a grande latte? With soy milk? I'd like an iced venti cappuccino, no sugar. Can I have a small coffee with 1 sugar, please? Could I get a medium hot chocolate, please? Can I have a grande tea with honey? I'd like a tall decaf coffee. Can I have a grande iced coffee with caramel syrup? Less syrup, please. No sugar, please. What do you recommend? If you are worried about your English, it's okay to speak slowly and clearly. The baristas at Starbucks are used to helping people from all over the world. Let's review. To order at Starbucks, you 1. Choose your drink: coffee, latte, cappuccino, tea. 2. Choose your size: tall, small, grande, medium, venti, large. 3. Decide if you want it hot or iced. 4. Choose your milk: whole, 2%, non-fat, soy, almond, oat. 5. Decide if you want sugar or syrup and how much. 6. Add any extra options, like extra hot or less foam. Remember, you can mix and match these options to make your perfect drink. With these simple phrases and steps, you can confidently order at Starbucks, even if you are new to English. Practice saying your order a few times before you go, and soon, ordering coffee in English will be easy for you. Thank you for listening. Now you are ready to order your favorite drink at Starbucks. Enjoy your coffee.